Welcome, everyone. Have you ever wondered about the meanings behind those heartfelt phrases we use every day? Well, today, we're diving deep into the world of expressions related to the heart. Get ready to explore the language of love and emotions.
First expression is from the bottom of my heart. Suppose you are feeling really grateful, right? Like someone helped you out big time. And you want to tell them just how much it means to you. So, you say something like, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your help.
Next expression is heart of gold. Okay, think about someone who is exceptionally kind, generous, and caring, like they're always doing good stuff for others, even when they're facing their own challenges. That's when you'd say they have a heart of gold. For example, despite his own struggles, John always volunteers at the homeless shelter. He truly has a heart of gold. Heart to heart, meaning? A sincere and intimate conversation between two people, often involving sharing personal feelings or thoughts. For example, after their argument, Sarah and Tom had a heart-to-heart talk to resolve their differences. It's like they're sharing their innermost thoughts and feelings, building a stronger bond with each other.
Another expression is, follow your heart. Means advice to make decisions based on one's deepest feelings or desires. You've got this burning passion inside you, right? Like, something you've always wanted to do but maybe you are feeling a bit scared or unsure. That's when you hear those magical words, follow your heart. For example, I know it's risky, but I'm going to follow my heart and pursue my passion for painting.
Know by heart? This means totally memorized, when you know it inside and out, upside down and backwards. Take, for example, someone who's practiced singing for years. She knows the lyrics to every song by heart.
Win someone's heart? You've got your eye on someone special, and you really want them to like you back. That's when you bring out all the stops to win their heart. Illustration: a charming individual who's pulling out all the sweet moves to win someone's heart, and she is like,
he won my heart by being caring and attentive.
Take heart. It's like finding a ray of sunshine in the storm, knowing that there's light at the end of the tunnel. Let me give you an example. Even though we lost the game, we should take heart in knowing we played our best.
What about this? Half-hearted. It's when you're just going through the motions without any real passion or conviction. Example, despite her promises to help, her efforts to clean the house were half-hearted, leaving much of the work unfinished.
Next idiom is heart into something. Alright, imagine you're working on something. Like, you are pouring all your energy and passion into it, giving it everything you've got. That's when you're putting your heart into something. Let me give you an example. John poured his heart into his new business venture, working day and night to ensure its success.
With all my heart, you're overflowing with love, right? Like, your heart is bursting with affection and devotion for someone special. That's when you say something with all your heart. Let's discuss an example. I love you with all my heart, and I promise to always be there for you. It's like every word is filled with pure love and sincerity, promising to stand by their side through thick and thin. How about a speedy recap?
As we conclude our journey through heartfelt expressions, I hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the power of words to convey love, gratitude, and sincerity. Remember, whether it's saying thank you from the bottom of your heart or following your heart's desires, these expressions remind us of the beauty and strength found within our hearts. Thank you for joining me, And until next time, take care and keep spreading love. Happy Valentine's Day!